Hi guys, Mac Machine 95 here today, and today we're going to be unboxing this sealed iPhone 5S that I just picked up off of McCarty for like 80 bucks. It should still be on its on iOS 8, I think, from this picture right here. So this is one of the later ones. Unfortunately, it's not the one that's like on iOS 7, but it's a 64 gig. Not sure the carrier, but yeah, let's open it up because I'm really curious to see on how this thing still looks after all these years still in the box. All right, so let's start opening it. I already did a little pre-cut right here. I'm just going to remove this top piece right here, and this should allow me to open it up. Yeah, there's still a piece of, there we go. All right, and here it is. I'm gonna remove it from its little packaging right here. Yeah, it's a sealed iPhone, all right. It's still got the original packaging on it and everything. Awesome, I'll set that to the side. And if I open up this, we should have our sealed earpods and lightning cable and original little wall jack there. And then open this. We have just a little documentation in here. There's nothing like too weird about, something kind of weird about this. There's no Apple stickers. That's weird. All right. Well, let me get the phone charged up, and then maybe we'll do the pill. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the pill. Yeah, you already see I set up the phone already off camera because it was annoying. And then there's the pill. And there she is, a practically brand new iPhone 5S.